Yeah, hello everyone. I hope you all are doing well. Today we are come up with a new topic about how to read a complicated Rust types. Okay, before entering to a discussion, I will introduce myself. I'm Uday Kumar Hidkal. I'm I'm an embedded security engineer, and I have 3+ year experience in embedded domain. And whenever we are saying about trait and types, these are very important topics in Rust. So um, by the way, we'll go with the trait first. What are the traits? The trait is a feature in Rust that allows type of implement a common set of methods and behavior. And also, the trait provides a way of to share functionalities between two types, two different behavior types. Okay. And also, we'll know about the implementing of a trait here, and then defining a trait. So these are two examples they showed here. We'll take one. Okay, this one. We'll copy into this one, Rust playground. Okay, I hope it is visible. Oh, here, what they're doing means they're creating a movie. They're creating a movie struct. Here in this struct, they're the fields are the four fields are they're mentioning: title, director, release year, and genre. Okay, these are the fields. Then the details trait has two methods. They're implementing a details trait here with a keyword of trait. And in this trait, we have two methods. One is description and one is years since release. Um, the description method returns a string containing overview of the movie and years. The year since release method returning a number of year between release year and movie and the current year. Okay. Then finally, the two creates a two movie objects and print out the description description and this year and since release each for two objects movies. Okay. In this one, they are explaining about the how to implementing a trait and how to we are calling the different methods we are calling from the here. Okay. Let's move to types reading. Mm, in types reading, I will show some codes whichever we are using here. In this code, signature. Okay, let's start with these things. Yeah, this is the simplest one. Yeah, here, see here, whatever you are seeing in angle brackets, that is called generic types. The generic types is a Rust type that can take any type of parameters. This allows code to be written in a more general ways. For example, a generic type could use for create a vector that can store any type of any data types, which is like integer type, string type, and objects. Okay. Then here what they're doing, they're directly defining a struct called verifying key that takes generic type of C that implement the C type that implements prime curve and projective arithmetic traits. The struct contains an inner field of the type of public keys, which take some generic types C. Okay, this is how we can read these things. Then again move to one more example regarding okay this implementation whatever the line number 78 to till 92 these things here what they are implementing uh, this is the implementation of digest verifier trait that uses to verify message digest and signature on the verifying key. The code defines necessary functions to check the integrity and messages and verifying key and signatures here. Okay. In this also we have some Rust types here. These things. Okay. Here how we are reading these things means. Let's come to this point. Line number 80, 80 to 86. Here what we are doing directly here defining a type of generic type digest verifier which takes two arguments in the sense two parameters it will take. One is for digest type D, another one is for signature type C. So in this one specify the constraint on the two types, uh, namely that C must be prime curve and projective arithmetic for this implementation, and D must have an output size that equals to a field size of C. Finally, it declares that verifying key of C is digest verify for the signature type of C. This type C type. So like this, we're gonna read Rust types. Bye. Thank you.